Hello everyone, Sigita, and I have journal. I have journal for you guys available my shop, and this time is a nature themed one. Cover, as you already can guess, I made from craft bags, from two craft bags. I'm back. And I joined them together here in a spine. So front cover, I put some big of a piece of lace on, some old script book pages, lovely cross stitching, some bird flowers, a little bit of inks, and I sewed a lot of like lines, and I left threads hanging as well, as usual, to make even more grungy. Spine is gessoed and stamped, and this is a back. I didn't put on full lace on the back. Little bit of stitching on the handles as well, just to like stitch them together, because you know otherwise they're opening. Size is a small one, but little bit chunky one. Right, 5 by 7.5, and spine is 1.5. Yeah, a little bit more. You can't even see, I'm just saying something. Right. And closure, I didn't want to put any closure on, but when I finished I had to, because it just like keeps opening quite a bit. So yeah, like that. So just to hold it close, I put little coffee stained satin ribbon on. Right, okay guys, and let's go in. Very grungy again. I love it, and I do hope all of you love it too. Is it not too dark? Is it okay? Because seems like very dark. Okay, hopefully it's alright. Right, my lovelies, instead of the front cover, as always, I have this book belongs to tag. Pocket, old script book page, a little bit of gesso and stamping. Here I put on sewing pattern on a design paper, and then gessoed and inked and embellished and stamped with some flies to bird. Okay, this is a pocket. I need something to put this one. Pocket here. And this kind of fly, I stamped it on, and then I watercolored this. I colored the wings. I colored myself. Okay, this again, and again I used die cut negative. Foxy, this little flower there. And now again I'm having journaling pages, a little bit of sewing and book pages on, stamping, inks and gesso just on one part of the page. Okay, just here I put it on. And book pages in a different places. Here I have pockets, envelope and a half. So I sewed it as well to divide to both sides from each other. Lollipop flower here, and a little bit of inking and gesso and a little fly as well. So you can open and put your things in. Embellished, very grungy looking. This butterfly as well. I stamped it on a tea bag. This is tea bag under, And then I colored it with a watercolor a little bit. I like that looks lovely. A lot of embellishments here, and we are going through again journaling pages, a little like kind of little page, little tag with bees or flies. I can't even believe it, you know. I think more like flies. And again I stamped it on and I watercolored with a yellow. This is just to stamp on. Journaling part is here, and this is again embellished part is butterflies and inks and birds. Pocket here, and I used negative and positive of a leaf. A lot of butterflies as well, embellished here with some stamping. Journaling part. Okay, foxes. This is like one page and then stamped it on. I sewed on design paper piece on handmade paper. So made little nice page. Little tag just to put in. Then I have again journaling part. Birdies on a craft paper. Embellished here. Little flowers, laces, fabrics, inks, stamping, gesso, sewing. That's all on one page. And here as well, foxes and fabrics. And this one is a envelope. The last one is envelope, and here we have mushrooms on with some bugs. And here I think I didn't put any bag on, did I? A little fly. All these pictures are printouts, guys. All these what I used. Pocket on the back, inside of the back cover, and this I just put it in like that. Is a die cut. Should be one more die cut. I put in. There is one more. Yeah. I just put like that. It looks nice. And these two flowers, I just stuck it down like that. So that looks nice. Right, these will stay here. Right, so this is a journal, guys. All for you. All finished. Right, my lovelies, middle of the week, still have to work on work. And probably see you very soon with my next journal, or kind of journal album. We will see. I'm thinking as always what to do. If you have any questions, yes, please ask. And that's all for today. And see you very soon then. I'm just thinking what else I should say. Postage as always, guys. One total price. Together with packaging and postaging. That's all. Yeah, I think I said everything I wanted. Okay, my lovelies. Enjoy your week. And see you very soon.